Hello, it's me, Vicky, again, and welcome to my videos to learn English. Thank you for spending some time with me. Okay, today we're in the book Romper la barrera del idioma inglés nivel 1. No es necesario tener el libro para seguir el video, pero si quieres comprar el libro, puedes comprarlo en Amazon, cualquier sitio de Amazon, o aquí por mi website. Los detalles estarán en comentario. Y si tienes el libro, estamos en página 113. ¿Es 13? Sí, we're on page 113 in this book, and we're going to look at the verb to have or to have got, which in Spanish of course is tener. So el verbo tener en español en inglés is to have or to have got. Okay, so first of all we're going to have a look at the conjugations. So to have, we have, I have, right, so we're in the present tense. Estamos en tiempo presente. Okay, so the positive in the present simple, I have, you have, he, she or it has, we have, you have, or they have. And if we go to the negative, I do not have. Now, we can also contract and say, I don't have. You do not have, or you don't have. He, she, it does not have, or doesn't have. We do not have, we don't have. You do not have, you don't have. And they do not have, don't have. Now, if we go to the present continuous, we have I am or I'm having. You are, you're having. He, she, it is having, or he, she, it's having. We are, we're having. You are, you're having. They are, they're having. So this is the present continuous. And the negative, I am not having or I'm not having. You are not having, you're not having. He, she or it is not having, he's, she's not having. We are not having, we're not having. You are not having, you're not having. They are not having, they're not having. So all this is in the book. Now, if we look at the question, the interrogative, so in the present simple, do I have? Don't I have? Do you have? Don't you have? Does he or she have? Or doesn't he or she have? Do we have or don't we have? Do you have? Don't you have? Do they have? Don't they have? And then the present continuous, aren't I having or am I not having? Aren't you having? Are you not having? Is he or she not having or isn't he or she having? Are you having? Are we having? Aren't we having? Are you having? Aren't you having? Are they having? Aren't they having? Yeah, so it's just repetition to remember the conjugations, positive, negative, interrogative, present simple, present continuous. Now, if we go on to the have got, we don't use that in the present continuous. So on page 114, página 114, no usamos have got en continuo. So solo presente simple. I have, I've got. You have, you've got. He has, he, she, or it has, or he, she's, you, he's, she's, it's, has got. We've got. You've got. They've got. Negative, I haven't got. You haven't got. He, she, it hasn't got. We haven't got. You haven't got. They haven't got. And then if we go into the interrogative in the present simply, Spanglish, the present simple. Have I got? Haven't I got? Have you got? Haven't you got? Has he, she, or it got? Hasn't he, she, or it got? Have we got? Haven't we got? Have you got? Haven't you got? Have they got? Haven't they got? So that's the pronunciation. Okay, so on page 115, you had to write 10 things that you have and 10 things that you don't have. 10 cosas que tienes y 10 cosas que no tienes. Puedes decir I have, or I have got, or I've got, ¿vale? So I've got a house. I've got 2 dogs. I have a cat, etc., etc. Negative, I don't have, what don't I have? I don't have a daughter. No tengo una hija. I do not have, or I haven't got a daughter as well. So I don't have, or I haven't got. And then 10 things you haven't got. I haven't got a bicycle. I haven't got a swimming pool, etc. Then you will go on to page 114, and there are 20 sentences to translate into English. And I'm going to read out the English answers. So, number 1, I have 10 euros. Number 2, do you have my books, or have you got my books? Number 3, she has a new car. Yeah? Number 4, or she has got a new car as well. Number 4, does he have the cups, or has he got the cups? Number 5, we do not have a house. We haven't got a house. Number 6, you have a lot of friends. You have got a lot of friends. Number 7, you have 5 cousins. You have got 5 cousins. Number 8, I have the money. I have got the money. Number 9, I don't have a cat. I haven't got a cat. Number 10, who has the keys? Who has got the keys? Number 11, why doesn't she have time? Why hasn't she got time? Number 12, they don't have a garden. They haven't got a garden. Number 13, you don't have a big car. You haven't got a big car. Number 14, do you have a question? Have you got a question? Number 15, who has the answer? Who has got the answer? Number 16, do we have anything in the fridge, or have we got anything in the fridge? Number 17, I don't have a lot of time. I haven't got a lot of time. Number 16, she doesn't have brothers and sisters. She hasn't got brothers and sisters. Number 19, what wine do you have? What wine have you got? And number 20, I have 2 dogs. I have got 2 dogs. Okay, why don't you practice those listening, repeating? I'll put the Spanish in the description box and see if you can translate. Okay, have you got it? Okay, thank you so much for watching. May your God go with you. Please give me a thumbs up if you want to. Please subscribe if you want to. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Thank you.